the duct. Inside that duct there is one block, rectangular block, and when we will going to mesh this geometry, at that time we will mesh it with simple process. First one, that is global scale factor, we will take as it is default. Then directly we will go for edit mesh, say compute. You can say yes, replace mesh. Already I have did, that's why I am using replace mesh. So now you can see near the block I want some dense mesh. Okay, but this default setting, the mesh size at the block are same as the duct size. But we know, as we are willing to capture the boundaries or eddies or flow at the backside of the block, at that time we required more mesh in this region. So for that purpose, what we will do, we will use density in geometry. If you go here, you can see create density mesh. For that purpose, what I will do, I will create few more points. So first of all, I will delete this mesh. So I am deleting. Yes, that's good. Then what I will do, I want to capture I want the mesh up to certain length. So for that purpose, I will create few more points along the length. So I can say -10. That's good. Okay. What I will do, I will go for mesh here in density mesh. I have created a default size 1, ratio 1, width 1. So what I will do, I will select points where I want dense mesh. So these are the points I have selected, and I can say apply. Okay. So after that, I will go for mesh, say compute mesh, replace older mesh. Now you can see the beauty of density mesh in ICM. Now you can see here we can easily capture our eddies or backflow, and this we want actually when we are dealing with the obstacle, any obstacle. It means by using this density mesh, we can generate maximum mesh at blockage, so that we can capture flow physics. So it is about how to use density creation operation in ANSYS ICM CFD. So if you like this, you can go for like button, and you can share it this video to your friends and relatives, so that they can get benefit of this channel. So thank you.